How to activate National Bank of Canada credit card. Let's get started. First, make sure you have installed National Bank of Canada mobile app on your device. If not, you can download it. Then log into your account using the credentials. Once logged in, you're going to find this section of My Accounts. Under that, you'll find the option of My Credit Card. Click on that. Then click on the option Activate My Card. Now provide the details of the card that you want to activate. Fill this. Card number, validation date and expiry date. You can choose to receive your statements online. How do you like to receive it, online or by mail? Select the option and click on Continue. Now here you're going to find the details of your card. Click on this option, Consent to Electric Communication. Now go through this and then click on the icon given at the top right corner. Now go ahead and click on Confirm. Now I can click on Finish and just for that credit card will be activated. So this is how you can easily activate your National Bank of Canada credit card. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.